Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First question. The collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So in a year we are going to say different months. So starting with letter J, we are going to see first month January. Then we are going to see June. Then we are going to see July. So these are the 3 months we are going to see. So we can say that it is a set with elements 3 here. So A is equal to January, June, July. So it is a set. The set means the collection of objects of a particular kind. We are going to say it is a set. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here it is not a set. Not a set. So why it is not a set here? In the sense, the collection of 10 most talented writers. So here the perspective of one person to one person is different. So from my side, when you are going to see the collection of 10 most talented, then I can write ABC here. The other person will write XYZ. The other person will write PQR. So these are the names, suppose. So here the collection will differ from person to person. So that's why it is not a set here. Third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So it is also not a set here. Here also the perspective is different. From person to person we are going to get different answer here. Because the best batsman here differs with different characteristics. So one person may say A, the other person will say X, the other person will say P. So these are the different names we are going to get from different persons. Fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. So it is a set. So here, why it is a set here? In the sense, the collection of all boys in your class. So in a classroom, a certain boys will be there. Say 12 boys are there, or you can say 32 boys are there. These are the boys in the classroom. So here we can write that A is equal to that B1, B2, B3, so and so, Bn. So this is a set of particular kind here. So we get the same answer. Next, fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So this is also set here. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So less than 100 means highest will be 99 here. Okay. So it starts with 1, 2, 3. So it starts 1, 2, 3 and it goes on up to 99 less than 100. So these are the collections of all natural numbers less than 100. So that's why it is a set here. Sixth one, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So here it is not a set here. So why it is not a set here? In the sense, here the collection they asked. Now collection means it will differ from person to person. Now the collection from my side, I can get 4 books suppose, or 4 novels. From other person I can get 7. From other person we can get 9. From other person we can get only 3 here. So this is the different collections we are going to see. So that's why it is not a set. It is not a particular kind. We are not going to get from this collection of objects. Seventh one, the collection of all even integers. So all even integers means it is a set here. The collection will be here from 2, 4, 6, so on. So this is a set. Next, eighth one, the collection of questions in this chapter. So in this chapter, how many questions are there? 6 are there. So it is a set here. So A is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to get the questions. Ninth one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So it is also not a set here, because the collection they asked from most dangerous animals. So here also the perspective is different. We are going to get different answers and we are going to do different collections. So it is not a set here. Question number 2. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol in the blank spaces. So here numbers are given and these numbers are from set A or not, we have to tell here. So first one, when you are going to say 5 is the number, whether this 5 belongs to set A or not, we are going to check. So element 5 is there in set A here. So here we can say 5 belongs to A here. Second one, 8 which belongs to A or not. So 8, when you are going to see in set, there is no number 8 here. So we can say that it doesn't belong. Third one, 0. So 0 is also not there in set A here. So that's why we can say it doesn't belong. Fourth one, 4. So 4 is there in the set A here. So we can say it belongs to set A. 2 element when you are going to see. So 2 element is there here. So it belongs to from set A. Sixth one, 10 number which is not there in the set A. So we can say it doesn't belong to set A here. Question number 3. Write the following sets in the roster form. A, x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than or equal to x and less than 7. So here in the roster form, here in the sense we are going to write all the elements in the set here. So here when you are going to see minus 3 less than or equal to x, so here minus 3 includes in the set here. So here A when you are going to write, so first minus 3 will come. So minus 3 to 7 when you are going to count, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, after that 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and x is less than 7 which is not equal to 7. So we have to stop up to 6 here. So this is the elements in the set. Second one, B, x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number here in the sense, so B is equal to start from 1 here natural number and which is less than 6 means ends with 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So these are the elements. Third one, C, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8 here. So here when you are going to write 2 digits, so 11 when you are going to write 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 14 when you are going to write 1 plus 4, it will be 5. So we have to count the number such that when you are going to add two numbers, the sum should be 8 here. So here first 17 will come, 1 plus 7 which is 8. Then we are going to see 26, 2 plus 6, 8. Next 3, 5 which is 8. Next 4, 4 which is 8. Next 53, 5 plus 3, 8. Next 62, 6 plus 2, 8. Next 71 which is 8 and 80, 8 plus 0, 8. So these are the elements. When you are going to sum it, we get 8 number here. Question number 4, D, is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So divisor of 60 means we are going to see 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 12. So all these are the numbers which can be divided or which are divisor of 60. They asked prime number. So in the list, when you are going to see the prime number, then we get 2, 3, 5. So here D is equal to 2, 3, 5. So these are the three prime numbers which are divisor of 60. Fifth one, E, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So here when you are going to see the set of all letters, so here E is equal to, first we are going to see T, next R, next I, next G, next O, next N, next O repeated, next M, next E, T is repeated, R is repeated, next Y here. So these are the letters. Sixth one, F, the set of all letters in the word better. So here F is equal to better, first B, next E, next T, next T is repeated, E is repeated, next R here. So this is the set of letters. Question number 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. First one, 3, 6, 9, 12. So here when you are going to see 3, 6, 9, 12, then the pattern is 3 into n pattern it is. That means n, when you are going to input a natural number 1, 2, 3, then we are going to see a sequence 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, and 3 into 4, we are going to say 12 here. So here when we can write here x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to natural number and x and n as a limit here 1 to 4 only. So here n, when you are going to see, it is less than or equal to 4, and it is also greater than and equal to 1 here. So this is the set builder form. Second one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So here when you are going to see it is in the form of 2 to the power of n here. So when you are going to input a natural number in place of n, we are going to see a sequence of 2, 4, 8. 2 to the power of 1, 2. 2 to the power of 2, 4. 2 to the power of 3, 8. So in this way we can see the sequence here. So here we can write x is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n belongs to natural number and n is limited. That means up to 5 here. So n, which is less than or equal to 5 and greater than and equal to 1 here. Third one, 5, 25, 125, 625. So it is in the form of 5 to the power of n. So x is equal to 5 to the power of n. So in n place, when you are going to input natural number 1, 2, 3, 5 to the power of 1, 5, 5 to the power of 2, 25, 5 to the power of 3, 125. So the sequence we are going to get. So we can write x is equal to 5 to the power of n, and n means it is a natural number and n is of 4 digits only. So n, which is less than or equal to 4 and which is greater than and equal to 1 here. Next, fourth one, 2, 4, 6 continues. So it is a even integer. So here we can write x such that x is a even integers. So all even integers we are going to see, here x is a natural numbers. All natural numbers are integers, means we can write positive integers. In this way also we can write. Fifth one, 1, 4, 9, 100. So here also we are going to see a sequence where n to the power of 2. So here 1 to the power of 2, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. In this way we can get the sequence up to 10 here. So x is equal to n to the power of 2, that is n square, and n is a natural number and n has a limit up to number 10 only. So n here we can write less than or equal to 10, and here which is greater than or equal to 1 here. So this is the set builder form. Question number 5, list all the elements of the following sets. So here we are going to write all the elements which contain in this set. So first one, when you are going to say x such that x is an odd natural number. So odd natural number means natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this odd number we are going to select, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. So this is a odd natural number. Okay, so this is a is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Second one, b, x such that x is an integer between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 means we can say 0.5, and here 9 by 2 we can say 4.5. So in between we are going to write what are the integers which are there between these two numbers. So here 0.05. So after that we are going to see 0 here. 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that 5 we can't say because it is 4.5 only. So we can write up to 4 only. So these are the integers which are present between these two numbers. Question number 3, c is equal to x such that x is an integer x square less than or equal to 4. So when you are going to input number 1 here, so we get 1 which is less than 4. 2 when you are going to input, then we get 4 which is equal to 4. 3 when you are going to input, we get 9 which is not less than 4. So up to 1 and 2 only we can write. So they asked integer. So in the positive side 1, 2 we get. So in the negative side when you are going to see minus 1 and minus 2 also we get. So here when you are going to see positive side 1 and 2, and negative side when you are going to see minus 1, minus 2 also we are going to get. And in between 0 when you are going to input 0 which is less than 4. So here 0 also we can get. So we can write c is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These are the elements which belongs to x. That means which is less than or equal to 4. Fourth one, x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So here we are going to write the elements Now, so first L will come, next O will come, Y will come, next A will come, again L, which is repeated. So these are the elements we are going to see. So D is equal to, these are the elements for word loyal. Fifth one, E is equal to X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So which months are not having 31 days? So first when you are going to see January, which is having 31 days, next February 28 days only, so which is not having 31 days. So first February will come. March, which is having 31 days, next April not having, next May, which is having 31 days, next June. When you are going to see June, it is having 30 days, next July 31 days, August 31 days, next September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. So these are the months: Feb, April, June, September, November. So these are the months which are not having 31 days. Sixth one, F. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. So here consonants, when you are going to see, which are not vowels. So here when you are going to see vowels, so we know vowels A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels. Consonants means rest of vowels, we can say consonants. So they asked which precedes K. So before K, how many consonants are there here? So here when you are going to see A, which is vowel, next B, that is consonant, next C, next D, next E is a vowel, next F, next G, next H, next I is a vowel, next J, next K. So before K, which precedes K, so up to J we are going to see these are the consonants. So F is equal to, this is the elements. Question number 6. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in set builder form. So here in the left we are going to see a roster form, and the right side we are going to see the set builder form. So here we are going to match this. So first one, when you are going to see 1, 2, 3, 6, here when you are going to see A, B, C, D, so prime number which is not a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, and odd natural numbers. So here evens are there, next natural number and divisor of 6. So natural number means we are going to see divisor of 6. So here these are all natural numbers and all are divisor of 6. All can divide 6 here. So here it will 1 is matches C. 1 matches C. Next 2, 3. So 2, 3 means when you see A here, X is a prime number and divisor of 6. So 2 and 3 will be dividing 6, and 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So 2 matches A here. So 2 matches A here. Third one, MATHEICS. These are the elements. So elements of which word we are going to see here at the D. When you are going to see a word mathematics is there. When you are going to see a roster form here, we can get MATHEICS. So 3 matches D here. The last one, fourth one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The left is B. X is an odd natural number less than 10 here. So all are odd natural numbers and less than 10. That means highest is 9 here, starting from 1 here. So fourth one matches B here. So our answer will be 1 matches C here, 2 matches A here, 3 matches D here, 4 matches B here.